In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect keyboard to Android phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the process of connecting any keyboard that you have with an Android device, so either a smartphone or even a tablet. So first, you will have two connection types available. The main one, which is Bluetooth, which I believe most people should try to use. So if your keyboard has Bluetooth capabilities, always try to do this first. And if it doesn't work, then the secondary option is going to be through a USB cable. So to start, if your keyboard has Bluetooth available, then what you have to do is first ensure that Bluetooth has been enabled on your smartphone. So go into the settings, access the connections category, or look for Bluetooth. Once you go into the Bluetooth settings, make sure that it is enabled, and with Bluetooth enabled, now you just need to pair up the keyboard. For this example here, I chose this Logitech model. They have a dedicated button that you will be using, so you can see the Bluetooth symbol here. And what you have to do is press the PC side. I know it's weird because it says PC, however, for this particular model, it also works with Android, so press this button. Immediately upon doing this, pairing mode will be enabled. With pairing mode enabled, the keyboard will begin looking for nearby devices to pair with, including, of course, your phone that has Bluetooth capabilities. So you will see the keyboard appear, and you can choose it from the list. Like I said before, different keyboard models might have different Bluetooth pairing mode setups. So maybe you press a specific button, maybe you press a combination of buttons. It's important to check the manual to see how to enable pairing mode for your particular model. Now, if you cannot use Bluetooth on your device, or you want to have a connection over a cable, then what you have to do instead is plug one end of a USB cable into the keyboard, and the other one goes into your smartphone. There's not much secret to this, but of course you will need the proper cable, so usually it is going to be USB-C. You plug one end of the cable into the smartphone, the other one into the keyboard, and this way it is going to be used automatically. You don't even have to go into these settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect keyboard to Android phone. If this video helps you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.